All right, we're doing a 2010 Cadillac Escalade key. Locksmith, can I help you?
Hi, I'm lost. I don't know where my keys are, but the fob and the spare fob are together, and I have no idea where they are. But I just need an extra one. Is there any way that you guys could provide that, or no?
What kind of car?
A Honda Civic,
What year is it?
2020.
Yeah, we could do that. You press a button to start the car?
Do I what?
Do you press a button or turn the key in the ignition?
So I don't have either key. I lost my purse yesterday.
Okay.
And
Okay, let's cut the chip key. No power. See that? No power. So we're gonna use outside power. Alright, so I'm using power for my van. Program it. 2010 Escalades, either it's 29 or maybe. It's probably a split ear. Turn the AC off so we don't kill his battery. That's probably know how to do it. I have no idea. There we go. Alright, we got 12 minutes. You watching me? It's gonna program now. It's taking 12 minutes.
Okay.
Here's a metal key. It'll get you in if you ever get locked out.
Okay.
If you have that, you can do the shop thing.
Okay.
But,
fell off yesterday and fucking grease everywhere. Dude.
oh, because of the,
Fuck. Yeah, because I was sweating.
yeah.
Fucking gross.
Smells good in here, though.
Smell like burgers, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
We're just waiting on this key now. Key's done. Turn that off, key out, back in and on. Secure light should shut off. It's right here. There we go. We're all done.
Yeah.
Alrighty?
I like to hear.
Yeah.